Welcome back to this channel. Today, I want to propose a material that can save you from having serious problems with your car's engine. We will talk about the main cause that can lead to the final destruction of an internal combustion engine. Connecting rod breakage in internal combustion engines. Causes, mechanisms, and prevention. Connecting rod breakage is one of the most serious failures that can affect an internal combustion engine. This failure can lead to the complete destruction of the engine, sometimes requiring the replacement of the entire engine assembly. In this blog article with technical accents, we will analyze the causes of connecting rod breakage, the mechanisms by which the failure occurs, and prevention solutions. What is a connecting rod and what role does it play in the engine? The connecting rod is the component that connects the piston to the crankshaft. It transmits the force developed by the explosion of the air-fuel mixture to the crankshaft, transforming the linear movement of the piston into rotary movement. It is subjected to very high forces, both tensile and compressive, during each engine cycle. Common causes of connecting rod breakage. A. Mechanical overload. B. Excessive revs. C. Performance modifications without reinforcing the components. D. Supercharging without calibration, e.g., too high turbo pressure. E. Detonations, pre-ignition, that create uncontrolled shocks in the combustion chamber. 2. Insufficient lubrication. Contaminated or unsuitable engine oil. Defective oil pump. Clogged lubrication channels. Low oil level. Consequence: seizing of the connecting rod bearing and its breakage under load. 3. Material fatigue. Wear through repeated stress cycles. Microcracks that propagate over time. Poor quality material or inadequate heat treatment. 4. Assembly errors. Incorrect torque when tightening the connecting rod bolts. Misalignment of the piston bolt. Incompatible piston connecting rod pairs. 5. Hydrolock, hydraulic lock. Liquid entry, water, antifreeze, into the combustion chamber. Liquids are not compressible, so the piston applies a sudden excessive force to the connecting rod. Possible causes: driving through deep puddles, broken cylinder head gasket, cracks in the cylinder head or engine block. 6. Manufacturing defects. Porosity in the material. Lack of hardening treatments. Dimensions outside tolerances. Case study: connecting rod breakage on a modified 1.9 TDI engine. A diesel engine modified with a hybrid turbo and software remap suffered a broken connecting rod in cylinder 3. Post-mortem analysis showed increased boost pressure to 2.2 bars. Lack of prior reconditioning of the connecting rods. Clear signs of knock in the central cylinders. Oil with deposits, a sign of overheating. Conclusion: combined stress from knock. High temperatures and turbo pressure above design limits. Symptoms and probable causes of connecting rod breakage. Symptom: possible cause heavy mechanical knock, connecting rod bearing play completely blocked, engine connecting rod breakage or seizure. White smoke or liquid in the manifold, hydrolock, extreme vibrations at speed, deformed or poorly mounted connecting rods. Prevention: how to avoid connecting rod breakage. Use quality oil and change it regularly. Avoid excessive cold revs. Do not modify the engine without reinforcing the internals. Forged connecting rods, ARP bolts, etc. Check for signs of knock or detonation and correct by mapping. Monitor oil pressure and engine temperature in the case of reconditioning. Respect tightening torques and tolerances. Conclusion: a broken connecting rod is a consequence of multiple factors: mechanical, thermal, and maintenance. In many cases, this failure can be prevented by carefully monitoring engine parameters, choosing the right components, and proper maintenance. Knowing the causes and manifestations of a broken connecting rod can make the difference between a reliable engine and a costly breakdown.
Stop, yeah. Thank you for choosing to be with us on this YouTube channel. We are truly delighted by your presence, and we hope you enjoyed this production. If this content captured your interest, we invite you to explore the rest of our channel. You'll find a diverse selection of productions, all created with passion and dedication. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content, and give this post a like to support us. Every bit of appreciation means the world to us and motivates us to continue creating quality content. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to having you back.
Oh, discovery, stop, yeah.